Hello, good morning, dear students. આજે આપણે ચેપ્ટર નંબર 14 ઓસિલેશન અને એના એમસીક્યુ છે એ આજે આપણે ગણવાના છે. તો વી સ્ટાર્ટ ફ્રોમ ધ એમસીક્યુ નંબર 1 એન્ડ ધ ટોપિક ઇઝ પિરિયોડિક મોશન એન્ડ ઇટ્સ characteristics. First MCQ. A particle of mass m is executed simple harmonic motion if amplitude is a and frequency n. The value of its force constant. अच्छा, force constant F is equal to x and F is equal to what? ma. Okay. Now A is equal to minus omega square into x. Put in this equation. So minus kx is equal to minus m omega square into x. Right? So x cancel. And this is a k is equal to m omega square. Omega is equal to 2 pi f, but here the frequency is n. So this is a 2 pi n square. Okay, n of whole square. So this is m 4 pi square n square. So our answer is 4 pi square m n square. Okay, this is k. Okay. Now second MCQ. The equation of motion of particle executing simple harmonic motion where the latter has usual meaning. The equation of simple harmonic motion, this is the d2x by dt square is equal to minus omega square into x. This is a second differential equation, d2x by dt square plus omega square into x is equal to 0. So our option is just like that. Yes, omega square is equal to k upon m. Omega square is equal to what? K upon m, and this is a minus k upon m into x. So option A. Okay. Now third MCQ. The equation of motion of particle executing simple harmonic motion d2x by, okay, here the equation is given, d2x by dt square plus kx is equal to 0. The time period of the particle will be, so okay, the time period, compare with this equation d2x by dt square plus omega square into x is equal to 0. Okay, compare करिए आनी साथे. So k is equal to omega square and omega is equal to 2 pi upon t. This is a 4 pi square upon t square. Okay, so I want to find out t. So t is equal to 4 pi square upon k. Okay, take root on both sides. So this is a 2 pi upon under root k. Barabar k. This is 2 pi under root k. Now, which of the following equation does not represent a simple harmonic motion? Y is equal to a sin omega t. This is the simple harmonic equation. Y is equal to b cos omega t. This is also. Y is equal to a sin omega t plus b cos omega t. This is also a simple harmonic equation. And y is equal to a tan omega. Yes, so not that. Tan, cot, sec, each and every periodic term, this does not show a simple harmonic motion. Only just sine and cos, both periodic function will be used in the simple harmonic motion. Okay. Now further, MCQ number 5. The displacement of a particle in simple harmonic motion is indicated by equation y is equal to a. Y is equal to a means 10 sine 20 t plus pi by 3. Okay. Where y is in meter, the value of time period of vibration will be in second. अच्छा, આપણે શું ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરવાનું છે? યસ, વેલ્યુ ઓફ ટાઈમ પીરિયડ t ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરવાનો છે. બરાબર. કમ્પેર વિથ ધીસ ઇક્વેશન y is equal to a sin omega t plus phi. Okay, I want to find out the time period. and for that I will use omega. Compare with this equation. A is equal to 10, omega is equal to 20 radian per second, and phi is equal to pi by 3 radian. Okay, so omega is equal to 2 pi by t is equal to 20, and t is equal to 2 pi upon 20. So answer will be pi by 10. Okay, now MCQ number 6th. The value of phase at a maximum displacement from the mean position of a particle in simple harmonic motion. Okay, so maximum displacement from mean positions. ઓકે, તો મેક્સિમમ ડિસ્પ્લેસમેન્ટની વાત કરી છે, બરાબર ને? તો આપણને ફેઝ ડિફરન્સ એટલે સપોઝ કે અહીંયા ડિસ્પ્લેસમેન્ટ મેક્સિમમ ક્યારે થાય? At this point displacement will be maximum. So I can say the phase difference between the 2 points at the mean position, this is phi is equal to pi by 2. Okay, આ બંને વચ્ચેનો ફેઝ આ pi by 2 pi by 2 pi by 2 pi by 2. ઓકે, એટલે તમે એ બધાનું એડિશન કરશો તો શું થશે? 2 pi. ઓકે, just we have to check. Yes, this is pi by 2. 7th MCQ number 7th. The equation of simple harmonic motion is x is equal to 0.34 cos 3000t plus 0.74. Okay, where x and t are in mm. Okay, x and t in mm. Okay, this is in millimeter and second respectively. The frequency of motion, frequency mate we use, this is omega. Omega is equal to 3000 is equal to 2 pi f. So f is equal to 3000 upon શું થશે? 2 pi. So this one is 1500 upon pi. So answer 300 upon 2 pi આપેલું છે, આપણે 1500 upon pi લખેલું છે. Both are equal. The acceleration of particle, MCQ number 8. Acceleration of particle executing simple harmonic motion is always directed towards an equilibrium positions. Okay, this is the right option. Another option is always towards to one end, continuously changing in direction, change નથી થતું. Maximum at the mean position, તો maximum હોય નહીં. તો option is A is right answer. 9th, the distance covered by the particle executing simple harmonic motion in one time period is equal to, yes, so this is most important. What it asks? Distance covered by the particle executing simple harmonic motion. જો હવે મેં તમને આની પહેલાં પણ સમજાવેલું છે કે આ રીતે સિમ્પલ હાર્મોનિક મોશન આપે, બરાબર ને? વોટ ઇઝ ધ ડિસ્ટન્સ કવર? તો હિયર ધ કવર્ડ ઇઝ A. This is distance covered is A. This is A. Distance always positive, હા, એટલે આપણે માઇનસ સાઇન લેવાની નહીં. ઓકે, તો ડિસ્ટન્સ કેટલું થશે? A plus A plus A plus A. તો this answer is 4. તો the option will be 4 times the amplitude. Okay, option શું થશે? 4 times than the amplitude. ચલો, now 10th, the phase of particle simple harmonic motion is pi by 2. Then velocity will be maximum, the acceleration will be minimum, restoring force on it will be minimum, and its displacement will be maximum. So displacement અહીંયા at the pi by 2 એટલે કે અહીંયા આ પોઈન્ટે displacement it will be maximum. જો velocity maximum અહીંયા હોય નહીં, velocity will be 0. Acceleration will be minimum, અહીંયા acceleration minimum હોય નહીં, it will be maximum. Restoring force on it will be minimum, restoring force पर minimum હોય નહીં. Its displacement will be maximum, so answer will be option D. Okay, now MCQ number 11th. The displacement of particle, simple harmonic motion, is indicated by equation y is equal to 10 sine 20 pi 20t plus pi by 3. Barabar? Where y is in meter, the value of maximum velocity of particle. I want to find out Vmax. Vmax is equal to A omega. So A is equal to what? This is A. This is omega. So very simple. 10 into 20. This is 200 meter per second. Okay. Simple. In the above, MCQ number 12, in the above equation, the value of phase constant will be okay. अच्छा, value of phase constant. આ equation ઉપરથી જ આ શું છે? This is pi. Phi is equal to pi by 3. Simple. चलो આગળ જોઈએ આપણે. Pi by 3 means it will be 60 degree. MCQ number 13. The phase of particle in simple harmonic motion at time t is pi by 6. Yes. So our equation x is equal to A sine omega t, and here it will be given pi by, simple harmonic motion at time t is pi by 6. Okay, આપણને શું કીધું છે? Phase is given pi by 6. The following interference is drawn from this. Okay, so here the simple omega t is given sine pi by 6. Sine pi by 6 is equal to a by 2. તો x is equal to a by 2. હવે x is equal to a by 2 આપણને બધામાં આપ્યું છે. થર્ડ અને ફોર્થ ઓપ્શનમાં માઇનસ a by 2 છે, પણ અહીંયા આવશે નહીં દોસ્તો. તો ફર્સ્ટ અને સેકન્ડ ઓપ્શન આપણે વિચારવાનો રહેશે. પણ તમે જો અહીંયા જોઈ શકો છો કે ઓમેગા ટી માઇનસ કે એક્સના ફોર્મમાં હોય તો ઇટ વિલ બી ટુવાર્ડ્સ ધ પ્લસ એક્સ ડિરેક્શન. And here that is not telling to us that it is minus kx plus kx. So at this situation we will take plus x direction. Okay. Now MCQ number 14. Two particles executes simple harmonic motion along the same line at the same frequency. Okay. They move in the position direction at the mean position. The phase difference will be very simple. They move in the phase okay, two particles execute, once again આપણે એકવાર વાંચીએ. Two particles execute the simple harmonic motion along the same line, same direction, same frequency. They move in opposite. अच्छा, opposite direction હોય, બરાબર ને? તો at this time opposite direction હોય તો phase difference છે, it will be pi. બંને વચ્ચેનો ફેઝ ડિફરન્સ શું થાય? ઓપોઝિટ છે એટલે પાઈ, 180 ડિગ્રી. નાઉ MCQ નંબર 15. The displacement from the mean position of particle in simple harmonic motion at 3 seconds, t is equal to 3 seconds. Okay. And is under root 3 by 2. એટલે ડિસ્પ્લેસમેન્ટ x ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ અંડર રૂટ 3 બાય 2 a. x ઓર y કોઈ પણ તમે લઈ શકો, બટ તમારે એ ધ્યાન રાખવાનું કે આપણે a સાઇન ઓમેગા ટી માઇનસ કે એક્સ લેવાનું છે, બરાબર? અધરવાઇઝ પ્લસ કે એક્સ ગમે તે હોય. x ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ અંડર રૂટ 3 બાય 2 a. સો x ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ અવર ઇક્વેશન a સાઇન. અચ્છા, અહીંયા જે છે ને માઇનસ કે એક્સ તમારા 15 ચેપ્ટરમાં આવશે અત્યારે, એટલે આપણે અત્યારે જે હાલ પૂરતું છે ને ધીસ ઇઝ ઓનલી જસ્ટ ઓમેગા ટી છે, બરાબર? તો ઓમેગા ટી હોય તો આપણે પ્લસ એક્સ ડિરેક્શન લેવાની, માઇનસ એક્સ ડિરેક્શન લેવાની જરૂર નથી. a સાઇન ઓમેગા ટી સબસ્ટિટ્યુટ ઇન ધીસ ઇક્વેશન, ધીસ ઇઝ અંડર રૂટ 3 બાય 2 a ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ a સાઇન ઓમેગા ટી. a cancel, so what is the value of omega t? So that sine comes under root 3 by 2. So this is omega t is equal to pi by 3. Okay, sine 60 is equal to okay, so t is given 3 seconds, pi by 3. Okay, omega is equal to pi by 9. So omega is equal to what? 2 pi upon t. Okay, so pi cancel, t ને સામે ડિવાઇડ જોવા દો તો t is equal to 18 second. બરાબર? t is equal to what? 18 second. ओके, 15 में आंसर આપણે ચેક કરી લઈએ. યસ, 18 સેકન્ડ. નાવ 17, 16 નથી કરવાનો, ભૂલ છે એની અંદર. નાવ 17, the time taken by the particle in simple harmonic motion for the maximum displacement. Okay, you have to find out the maximum displacement. Okay, maximum displacement, for the maximum displacement we take x is equal to a. So this is a sin omega t. A cancel, so 1 is equal to sin omega t. So omega t is equal to pi by 2, because sin pi by 2 is equal to 1. The value of omega t should be pi by 2. Okay, આપણને શું કીધું છે? ટાઈમ. તો we have to find out t. તો t is equal to pi upon 2 omega. Omega is equal to 2 pi by t. So pi cancel, so this is t by 4. Answer will be t by 4. Now 18. A particle executes simple harmonic motion with periodic time of 6 seconds. The time taken of traveling for the traversing, okay, a distance of half of its amplitude from a mean positions. તો આપણને અહીંયા જે હાફ, અચ્છા શું કન્ડિશન આપી છે? વન્સ અગેન, તો ટ્રાવેલિંગ આવે, it time taken for the traveling a distance of half of its amplitude, and a distance x, and this one is half of its amplitude, x is equal to a by 2. Periodic time is given, t is equal to 6 seconds. So this is a sin omega t. A cancel, so 1 by 2 is equal to sin omega t. So omega t is equal to, it should be pi by 6 is equal to omega t, such that sin omega t is equal to 1 by 2. So here the t we have to find out, pi by 6 omega. So t is equal to pi by 6, omega is equal to 2 pi by t. Cancel, so t is equal to 6 by 12, 1 by. Okay, so answer will be t is equal to 1 by 2, option D. Now the phase difference between the displacement and acceleration of particle executing simple harmonic motion in radian. Yes, ચલો આપણે જોઈ ગયા છે phase difference, displacement and acceleration. જો acceleration displacement નો વચ્ચેનો phase difference છે, this one is pi. We studied in theory તમે ભણ્યા હોય વ્યવસ્થિત